Iced coffee and butterfly PT. Condensed milk, coffee, butterfly PT, milk. This here is my favorite brand. It is very strong and the aroma is out of this world. 2 tablespoons of coffee, 4 ounces of water. Let it do its magic. The house is gonna smell so nice. Now it's butterfly PT time. 4 ounces of water, bring to a light boil. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of butterfly PT, straight from my garden and then sun dry. Take it off the heat, let it seep from 5 to 8 minutes. This is when the colors start changing. I love this process. It slowly changes from light to dark. Once it cooled down to room temperature, we're going to go ahead and strain it out. Isn't it pretty? Once your coffee is done brewing while it's hot, pour it into a cup. You're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of raw cane sugar. Make sure that you mix it very well. You want to make sure that it is dissolved. In a cup with 2 ounces of milk, you're going to add 3 tablespoonfuls of condensed milk. Give it a nice stir once it's done. For more fun videos like this, make sure you hit the bell and subscribe. The link is in my bio. Now it's time to assemble. With 1.5 cup of ice, half of your room temperature coffee. Mix your milk and condensed milk mixture before you use it. Add all condensed and milk mixture, the rest of the coffee. Now is the fun part, the butterfly PT. Whoa, isn't it pretty? Let me know what you think. If you do make it, please comment below. See you next time. Enjoy.